Your car AC smells like mold because dealers are selling you $6 Lysol for $189. That damp basement smell, gym sock odor, it's mold growing behind your dashboard every time you shut off your car. You've probably tried vent clips or paying shops to disinfect your system. Those mass symptoms for 2 weeks. This fixes the root cause permanently. Subscribe now. You're missing the hack that prevents $200 respiratory damage. This video alone will save you $189. Let's start with hack number 1, the cabin filter spray method. Total cost, $6. Total time, 90 seconds. Spray Lysol directly into the intake. Reinstall filter. Run AC on high for 10 minutes. Kills mold on contact. Join 10,000 drivers who aren't paying $189 for Lysol. Hit subscribe and the bell for car secrets every day. There's a second smell source most people miss. The cowl intake. That grill at the base of your windshield where outside air enters. Leaves, pollen, and dead bugs collect there. They rot, and the smell gets sucked straight into your cabin. Hack number 2, the cowl cleanout. Open your hood. Pull out leaves by hand, then spray Lysol down into the cowl vents. 15 seconds. Now hack number 3, the drain tube clear. Your evaporator stays wet because the drain tube gets clogged with dust and pollen. Find the rubber tube under your car. Gently insert a pipe cleaner 2 inches up and wiggle it. You'll see dirty water gush out. That's your clog. Do this every spring. It takes 30 seconds and prevents the standing water that grows mold. Subscribe for more car secrets. But here's what the $189 dealer service includes that they don't advertise. They use a borescope camera to show you the mold. Scary looking. Then they fog the system with the same Lysol you bought for $6. They charge you $180 for theatrical effect. The fog machine costs them $40. One customer in Texas bought the dealer fog service. $189. Smell returned in 6 months. She found this channel and did the $12 filter spray. Smell gone instantly. This fixed everything. She's done it herself every spring since and saved $1,000 over 5 years. This $25 yearly routine just saved you $378. That's a $353 return on 5 minutes of work. Subscribe for more car secrets. YouTube won't show you these videos unless you hit the bell. The algorithm hides unsubscribed content. Your wallet will thank you. Now the deep clean. For cars that sat all winter. For smells so bad you need gas masks. Hack number 4. The evaporator foam treatment. Requires removing the blower motor resistor behind the glove box. Foaming action breaks down heavy mold. Only needed for extreme cases. Hack number 5. The filter upgrade trick. Buy a charcoal-impregnated filter. It absorbs odors permanently, eliminates outside smells before they enter. The maintenance schedule. Every April, replace the filter, spray the intake, and clear the drain tube. 5 minutes total for a year of fresh air. Subscribe so you don't miss the brake hack, transmission trick, and oil change lie. They're all coming. See you tomorrow.